Let's talk about metal stamping and specifically about adding letters and words to jewellery. So this is my lucky, and as you can see I wasn't so lucky because that Y is wonky, and this is a classic case of practice makes perfect, which I did not do. But I used the Impress Art stickers, and the idea behind these stickers is that you put this on the piece of jewellery or the piece of metal that you want to stamp. In this case it's a silver disc, and that means that you can add the letters in like evenly spaced and like preferably in a line. So what you do is you line up your letters with those kind of little marks, but you also, when you place your letter on your metal, you can just draw it down and you will feel that there's like a ridge from that sticker, and that's how you know that the letter is in place. Now, I started off well, and I always start from the middle and work my way out. I managed to do all the letters, but then I realised that my Y was wonky, and that's because that Y just has one stick. So when I drew it down, I just drew it down too far. Anyway, this is the finished pendant.